Why do you think a homeowner, maybe in particular, or just an average person, like what's the benefit from learning how to read architectural plans? Like what made you want to evangelize that, so to speak?
Well, because for a lot of people, to some people, it's intuitive. You look at a set of plans and you understand the sense of scale and a door swing, and you can kind of visualize yourself in the building just by looking at the plan. But for a surprising amount of people, it's not the case.
Right.
And even just a floor plan is like your most basic example of an architectural drawing. And from there, it's like, oh yeah, we have other drawings that are we have elevations, we have sections, we have details where a foundation meets your exterior wall and your floor. Like it gets so much more complicated than just a floor plan that you could download on Pinterest.
Right.
So other than the fact that it's kind of quick and easy content to make, because I could just grab a set of plans and get my camera and be like, da, 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 boom, I posted a video for today.
Yeah.
Other than that, people tend to resonate with it, and they ask a lot of questions. And it's just like, oh wow, this stuff is obvious to to us in the construction industry, but for so many people, it's like learning another language.
It
And
is.
specifically for homeowner, I think it's valuable to learn that language, because then you're speaking the architect's language. You're understanding certain things that they're trying to convey that they may not be able to verbally convey.
Yeah.
So if you have an understanding of how to read the plans and what these symbols and what these drawings mean, I think you will have your expectations better aligned as
Yeah.
somebody who's purchasing a product from the architect.
Yeah. One of the things I liked about, well, what made me want to start Raynard was seeing James as an architect connecting and listening to homeowners. And you probably experience this as a professional architect, but there's an ego and a lot of status that comes with architecture.